guys, so you want to start off with your 613 wig. I forget how many inches this is, but everything will be listed in my description box down below. So basically you're going to start off and you're going to spray your knots or your lace with Got to Be Glue hairspray. You can spray it with like spritz, any type of holding spray, just to coat the knots, because you don't want your knots to change when you dye this hair. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Once you're finished spraying the inside of your wig, you just want it to dry a little bit before you start. So I'm going to put this to the side and let that dry out real quick. And now I went to the beauty supply store and I purchased some color. Now this is by Clairol. So I have 2 boxes. Hold on. I have 2 boxes of the Clairol Medium Golden Blonde 7G 41G. So I have 2 boxes of these, which this is going to be the main color I'm going to be using. Then I also brought the Clairol. Oh, this is Gray Buster. Well, this is a Gray Buster one, but I don't know. So this is the Medium Neutral Blonde. And I bought the light red neutral blonde. So I don't know if I want to mix the reddish color in with the 2 that I already purchased, or I want to mix the medium neutral blonde in with the colors that I already purchased. So I don't know. That's what I'm kind of debating on now. I did want my wig to be like a dark blonde color, but then I haven't really seen a reddish blonde type of wig. So I don't know. I really don't know how it's going to turn out. I don't want it to be looking crazy, but it's like, should I go with what I know, or should I go with something that I never tried before? So in the midst of me thinking about which one I'm going to use, I'm going to start off with putting the ones that I do know that I'm going to use in my mixing bowl. So basically, you're just going to pour this into your mixing bowl, or if you have a colored bottle that you use instead, you can put this into that. So you want to mix this and then mix 2 parts of your developer with it. So I'm going to get my developer. This stuff is strong too. And that's 1. So it's every 2 for 1, if that makes sense. And then this is the second one. Now I'm going to go ahead, and it should look like this, but I'm going to go ahead and mix this. And this is a mess waiting to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another bowl, probably a little plastic bowl, just so I won't be spilling stuff everywhere. Come on, Jordan. Did y'all hear him? Jordan! Jordan! Now, once that's mixed, I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm actually going to leave that in this bowl. And now I'm going to mix the the light red neutral blonde. In this bowl, I don't know, I might mix it with the medium neutral blonde, just so it won't be too red, because I really don't know what to expect. So I have my third bowl. This is messy. This is a messy situation. But I'm gonna go ahead and mix about, yeah, half of that and half of this together. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just experimenting, and I'm bringing y'all along with me, so don't judge. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, but hopefully we like it. So that's mixed. Now I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to put this one to the side, and I'm going to save that for later. Now by this time, and honestly, I'm just going to kind of like wipe that up a little bit and put it on these pants that I don't wear. Now by that time, this should have already dried. So now we're going to start our processing of the color. So hopefully you get it, because I got some spritz on this part, but, or hairspray rather. Alright, so I'm kind of going like, I'm gonna need some more room. Alright, so I'm gonna work the bottom on up.
I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm. He was an angel. I've loved and I loved, but that's not what I see. Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. And for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you, next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my life. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So look what I got, look what you taught me. I love, but that's not what I see. Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. And for that I say thank you, next.
So now that the wig is saturated with the color, this is what it should look like. And 3 bottles was definitely enough, you guys. And if the hair is shorter, then of course you would use less bottles. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm using to wash the hair. This is what the color is looking like. I don't really know if you can see that too well, but I actually think that we got something here, y'all. And of course you really don't see the true color until the hair is dry, but so far I really like it. So now I'm going to be taking my Aveda, I think that's how you pronounce it, I really don't know. Aveda. This is the cherry almond shampoo. This stuff is really good, and it smells so good. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to be using that. You did what? Need what? Oh, why? For real? Yeah. That's what the conditioner is gone. They have a whole store in Towson.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you next, thank you next. I'm so fucking now I've loved and I lost, but that's not what I see. 'Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you next, thank you next. I'm so fucking.
Alright guys, so this is what the color looks like after it's been blow dried and straightened. So my application was pretty much whack, y'all, because the lace is so light that you can actually see the lace. So I might have to invest in some lace tint because this is just not going to work for me. Mind you, I put like foundation, setting powder under the lace so it can blend in with my skin, and it's not working, y'all. So yeah, but the color is freaking bomb. I do feel like this wig is on the thin side, but it is a full lace wig, so you can part it wherever throughout the whole entire wig, which is something that I do like, just in case I wanted to pull it up in a ponytail or anything. But yeah, you can definitely see like the red tones. Certain ways you turn, you definitely can see the red tones. I don't really know if it's showing up that well on camera, but this color combo really looks good. I feel like the camera is not doing it any justice, but this part is definitely bothering me, and I'm mad because I got somewhere to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw on my hat because I still love the way this hair came out. So this is better for now, but like I said, I definitely love the color. It is a bit thin. I forget what density this is, but everything for this hair will be listed in my description box. Also, real quick before I leave y'all, so when I was applying this wig, I applied it with the lace on, and then I went and cut it with this. This is so dangerous, you guys. I cut the lace with this, turned around to do something, turned back around, and my whole fucking hairline was bleeding. I was like, oh my gosh. And I could kind of like feel myself cutting. Like I could feel myself cutting myself, if that makes any sense. Like I felt it nipping my skin, but I was shocked to see how many times I nipped my skin doing this. So if you use this, be very careful. I probably would have to practice on this or something because I am a clumsy person, but oh my gosh, now I gotta wait until my hairline heal. Like I have so many cuts on my hairline, y'all. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I don't know, has that happened to y'all? Do y'all use these? That is like crazy. I wasn't expecting it to cut me up like that. But anyway, enough of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Color definitely came out really nice. I might take a picture. It's going to be with this hat on because I can't get with like phony lace. Like I don't want my lace to be detectable. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments in the comment section just in case you have any questions. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video.